Hi guys, this is Keshav Malpani and welcome back to yet another session of 12 minutes to CLAT. So I think a lot of times I've told you guys that while you're preparing for CLAT or any other entrance exam, 50% of your success is decided as to what is going through your mind during the preparation and while writing the exam, right? 50% वही decide करता है कि what is your mental state at that point in time, because something very important that we're going to discuss today is how self-belief, that is belief in your own abilities and backing it properly, can help you do really well in an exam like CLAT or any other law entrance exam across the country. So we're going to discuss a complete strategy today as to how can you keep your mind uptight during the entire preparation. See, I don't think there's anybody who can during his or her CLAT preparation tell you that there was no twists and turns. Okay, everything was so swift. I don't think there's anybody like that. Okay, everybody at some point in time during their preparation start feeling कि शायद नहीं हो पाएगा, because this is something difficult. You might get a low score in a mock test and you might feel so disheartened that you feel कि शायद I'm not cut out for it. ठीक है, मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा ये. And that is very normal. It has happened with me. It has happened with a lot of CLAT aspirants who did well eventually in CLAT. और अगर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है ना, so don't feel that you are alone in this. Each and every CLAT aspirant at some point in time has this feeling कि ये शायद नहीं हो पाएगा, even after working hard for the exam. ठीक है? So I'm going to tell you as to how can you believe in yourself and do well. Because see, what I've been doing these days is I've been talking to a lot of CLAT aspirants who could do well in the exam, who are in some of the top law institutes, and including myself. When I was preparing, I was actually thinking as to what was going through your mind, what was going through my mind while I was trying to figure out those questions, trying to figure out on a daily basis as to how do I do well in this exam, how am I able to maximize my mock test scores and so on. One very important thing that all of us had in our mind, which is a common thread that binds all of us, is that failure was not an option. Okay, so when I was preparing, I remember in my mind that I had made this very clear from day one itself कि मुझे fail नहीं होना है. मतलब obviously nobody wants to fail, कोई नहीं चाहता कि fail होना है. But again, when you keep this in mind, okay, when your mind start functioning in a way where failure is not at all an option, that gives you a very important, I would say, kind of an advantage when it comes to other CLAT aspirants who may not be so confident, right? Now, this is सोचने से नहीं चलता. This is very important to understand कि आज मैंने सोच लिया that I am not gonna fail. I have to work towards it. I have to work really hard towards it. I have to be really determined towards it, right? Now, this is where the self-belief comes in. ठीक है? I think ये कई बार डिस्कस हो चुका है in some of my sessions that these are not extraordinary students who are clearing this exam every year. These are average students like you and me who just show some kind of courage and determination throughout the year to do well in this exam. ठीक है, एक consistently हम लोग पढ़ते रहते हैं, consistently मेहनत करते रहते हैं towards a particular goal, and that is what is the reason for the success of a lot of students, and not succeeding for a lot of students. They will definitely tell you that they were not true to their preparation. Okay, there are not many students who will tell you कि उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत की थी and despite that also they could do it. So I think for those who do not understand as to how to proceed with the preparation, there should be a set goal. ठीक है, एक set goal, and set goal is not CLAT, वो तो सबका ही set goal है. You should have a daily goal as to how can you proceed with your preparation. ठीक है, ज़्यादा एक हफ्ते का या एक महीने का टाइम टेबल बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Have a set goal on a daily basis कि हमें कैसे करना है. For example, say if you have a board exam, तो आपको कैसे मैनेज करना है बोर्ड के साथ टाइम. And these are certain things on a daily basis. अगर आप एक प्लान बना सकते हो खुद के लिए, it will become very easy in the long run for you to be able to revise everything again, right? जैसे मैंने आपको कई सारे सेशंस में बताया that note making becomes very important. So don't be afraid to do something that takes a lot of your time, because that is the requirement of a national level exam. It will take your time. It will need a lot of practice. It will need a lot of hard work from your end, which is quite important. So don't be afraid of doing that, right? Okay, let me give you a very simple example. कई बार क्या होता है, you can follow some of the good mentors or somebody who has cleared this exam earlier or before you as well. कई बार क्या होता है, उन लोगों को देखकर, उनकी बातें सुनकर you get really motivated, है ना? आपको लगता है कि यार this is possible because this guy could do it. I am also able to do it. If I'm gonna work hard, I want to follow his or her strategy, है ना? हमने, I think a lot of you are cricket fans as well. हमने देखा था that one day cricket has been going on since I would say at least 1970s से तो चल ही रहा है ना? Till 2010, nobody had ever thought of scoring a individual double hundred in the ODIs. बिफोर सचिन तेंदुलकर डिड इन February 2010. ठीक है, हमने देखा था 2010 में ही वॉज द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू डू इट आफ्टर 40 ईयर्स. ठीक है, व्हाट वर द चांसेस? 40 साल में किसी ने नहीं किया. पीपल रीच टू 190, पीपल रीच टू 194, नोबडी क्लेम्ड दैट 200 मार्क. बट इफ यू सी आफ्टर सचिन डिड इट, देयर आर सो मेनी प्लेयर्स हु हैव डन इट इन द नेक्स्ट 10 years. कितने सारे प्लेयर्स ने अगले 10 साल में ओडीआई में 200 रन इंडिविजुअली बना लिया है. वाई? बिकॉज दे हैड अ क्लियर रोल मॉडल, दे हैड वेरी क्लियर इन देयर माइंड कि भाई दिस इज पॉसिबल, ऐसा हो सकता है ना. ऐसा नहीं है कि इम्पॉसिबल है. रोहित शर्मा स्कोर्ड 264. कैन यू बिलीव इट? लाइक इट इज अनबिलीवेबल. आज से 15 साल पहले 264 रन अगर आप किसी को बोलोगे तो दिल से कि ठीक है पूरी टीम ने भी अगर 264 बना लिए, सो इट्स वेरी गुड एज अ फर्स्ट इनिंग टोटल, राइट. So it's very important for you guys to understand what I'm trying to explain you guys here is कि अगर आपको लगता है that you have it in you to be able to do well in CLAT, obviously without this goes without saying practice hard, work hard, and second you can have a role model. ठीक है, you can have a role model, somebody who has done it, been there, and been through all that you are going right now. That helps quite a lot. Right, so I think I keep giving you my insights about my preparation as well, so you can follow some of my strategies as well. Other than that, if you feel that somebody else suits you, somebody else's preparation strategy suits you, do that also. That is also not a problem. So the expectation here is to back your abilities, give in your 100% as much as you can on a daily basis, because see, ज़्यादा टाइम होता नहीं है हमारे पास प्रिपरेशन के लिए, बिकॉज वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स टू डू. आई वुड से स्कूल प्रिपरेशन, आई वुड से यू विल टेक सम टाइम फॉर सम रिक्रिएशन एक्टिविटीज ऑल्सो, एंड दैट इज ओके. ठीक है, हर चीज़ के लिए टाइम निकालो, बट दैट डजंट मीन कि आपका प्रिपरेशन सफर कर रहा है. फिर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर क्लैट और फॉर एनी अदर लॉ एंट्रेंस एग्जाम और फॉर एनी एग्जाम फॉर दैट मैटर, गिव इन योर 100% टू दैट एग्जाम, बैक योर एबिलिटीज. ठीक है, नन ऑफ यू इज ऑफ आई वुड से अ माइंड फ्रेम, या फिर इतना कम हम दिमाग किसी का भी नहीं चलता है कि वो एग्जाम ही ना क्लियर कर पाए डिस्पाइट वर्किंग हार्ड. ऐसा होता ही नहीं है. इट्स ओनली आई थिंक वी कैन लाई टू द एंटायर वर्ल्ड इंक्लूडिंग आवर पेरेंट्स बट टू आवरसेल्व्स. ठीक है, खुद से झूठ नहीं बोल सकते. इफ यू हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू डू वेल सो फार इन से योर मॉक टेस्ट और प्रिपरेशन, आस्क योरसेल्फ इफ यू आर वर्किंग 100% ऑफ योर एबिलिटीज. If you are not doing that, please start doing that right now, because that is something that will take you to success in CLAT 22 और 23, या जो भी साल में आप CLAT लिखना चाहते हो उस साल में. that will take you to success, and that is a perfect मूल मंत्र for your final destination. So as I keep saying a lot of times, it's average students like you who do this every single year. हर साल यही होने वाला है, चाहे पेपर कितना भी डिफिकल्ट आ जाए, चाहे पैटर्न कितना भी चेंज हो जाए, चाहे कंसोर्टियम कितना भी आई वुड से आर्बिट्ररी पेपर सेट कर दे. इट डजंट मैटर. इट्स पीपल लाइक यू गोना डू इट एवरी ईयर, एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर ऑल्सो इज द सेम सेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स आर गोना डू इट. सो गाइज, मेक श्योर दैट यू बिकम दोज स्टूडेंट्स, यू होन योर स्किल्स इन अ मैनर कि आप वो एवरेज से खुद को अच्छा करके दिखाएं, एंड बिकम वन ऑफ द टॉप एस्पिरेंट्स इन द कंट्री व्हेन इट कम्स टू क्लैट और एनी अदर एग्जाम फॉर दैट मैटर. Other than that, I think a lot of you have been following me on Unacademy, and you guys would know that I've been teaching on Unacademy, particularly current affairs, legal reasoning. So you guys can follow my free classes on current affairs as well. I've given some links in the description box, and every day at 9:15 I do a free class. You can follow me on my Telegram channels as well, which is 12 minutes to CLAT as well as Malpani Unacademy. आप मुझे दोनों में follow कर सकते हो. You can find their links as well in the description box. उसके अलावा there are new batches that we keep starting. You can follow those batches as well, because we discuss a lot of things in these batches as well. You can use my code Malpani or Keshav Live to get 10% off on any of these batches on Unacademy. That's it about this session from my side. I will personally mentor you there to make sure that your strategy and your mind frame is to the point to clear this exam. All the best, guys. If you like our sessions, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates from us. Keep liking us and keep following us like this. Thanks.